Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by creating a project and picking an aspect ratio that matches your output. Import all footage and audio immediately so you can see duration and gaps. Drag the main clips onto the timeline, trim rough edges, and arrange them into your intended order. Once done, lock a base track to avoid accidental moves and use simple cuts to remove dead space. This gets you past setup and into actual editing quickly, so you're editing within minutes rather than prepping for hours. Now refine each clip to craft the story. Split where pacing needs a beat and use ripple delete to close gaps. Make decisive trims to keep momentum. Then focus on audio, normalize levels, apply noise reduction, and add short fades so cuts aren't jarring. For visuals, add transitions sparingly, tweak color with a single filter or manual correction, and use subtle pan/zoom to create motion. Once these middle steps are complete, play back the sequence and note spots that need finish by selecting an export preset that matches delivery, 1080ph, 264 for web or 4K if needed, and confirm frame rate and bitrate. Export a short test clip first so you can catch audio pops or visual artifacts. If you see issues, re-render the offending clip, lower bitrate, or export with a different preset. Make a backup of the project file. If exports fail, clear Clipchamp cache, restart the app, and try again. That simple step resolves most stuck exports.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.